Josh Show. We're going to be cooking ribeyes and steak shish kebab in the Weber Kettle grill. I'm using these diamond green light matches. They're good for the environment. The environment's good. So thanks for watching right here on the Josh Show. Right now I want to spread the coals out. They're good and hot. They're nice and gray. Super hot in here. Super hot outside. Now, if you notice, this is how I want to set down the grate. That way I'll get those grill marks I'm looking for. In about 5 minutes. Let's scrape this grate. Using canola oil, pull the grate off. Pull it up real good that way. Set the grate back down until I have the bottom grate opposite from this grate. Alright, there's my steaks. My ribeyes I want to rub over down here. Now, there is the olive oil in here. The chance of this sparking up is very high. So I'm going to carefully lay them on here. See, it's already flaring up. So I don't want it to linger too long. And I'm covering back up. That right there will knock down those flames. Close those eyes a little bit. Cut some oxygen to it. I'll give it about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, it's been roughly a little over 2 minutes. So what I want to do is flip the steaks over on that hot coal side and then let them go for about 2 to 3 minutes and then move it to the indirect side where there's no coals. Now this is going to cook on this side for about 2 to 3 more minutes. Alright, so now it's been a little over 2 minutes. Woo! Okay. Alright, now it's time to put down the steak kebabs. I want to check the temperature on these periodically. Carefully dripping that over there. We'll work about the same. We'll flip them about every 90 seconds. Now it's time to flip those kebabs. Alright, so now it's been a couple more minutes. It's been about 2.5, 3 minutes possibly. Open this up and use this temperature gauge to see where I'm at. Just go ahead and give them another turn. We'll rotate to the side. Cover it back up. I'm done with these now. Moving on to my done tongs. I'm going to use my digital thermometer, which comes in handy. This is from Weber, by the way, digital thermometer. I'm going to go ahead and remove the 2 ribeyes, cover them with butter, and let them rest for about 10 minutes. They'll still cook. We'll finish off these steak and vegetable shish kebabs. Get you a good look at those right there, baby. Alright, so the shish kebabs are pretty charred on one side. That's because I got focused on the ribeyes. So I'm going to move them down a little bit and let them finish out here down on the indirect side of the grill. I'm going to cover them up for a couple more minutes and that should be done. Alright, so we're good. We're where we need to be with these shish kebabs. They're done. We're ready to eat. It's time to pull these shish kebabs off the grill. Let them rest for about 10 minutes along with the steaks. The baked potatoes are ready. And we're good to go with our steak shish kebabs. Thanks for watching the Josh Show.
I'm a steak and shish kebabs.